What's up, everyone? Welcome back to another episode of Swimming Lessons with Jay Beck. This time around, I got my little god brother, aka Bryce Desmond Jefferson, aka Furhead. He gave him the nickname Furhead because his hair looked like some fur. But anyways, like that, he's working on his arms here, making him swim to the wall, preparing him for the deep end.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, swim.
Swim, baby, swim!
You did it! Get out here and do it again. Come on, do it again.
Being that this is my little god brother, of course I couldn't take it easy on him. I had to make sure that he got right and actually learn how to swim. I wasn't gonna take anything else from him.
Bryce.
And I know what he's capable of doing. But I want y'all to keep watching as his confidence builds up and he's jumping in the deep end on his own.
5, 4, 3.
It was a process, but keep watching and y'all gonna see a whole different swimmer at the end of this video.
Go.
I like to challenge all my swimmers, especially him.
What's in your head, B. Bryce?
Right here, just like the end of the day, he's getting better and better. But let's look at Bryce now. This is the other day, actually. I asked him to come to the house and swim, and this looks like a whole different kid. Perfect technique. It looks like a breeze to him now. And at the end, we have a little competition. And me being a big brother, I have to always keep him in check and let him know, like, okay, you got a little better, but you'll never be able to mess with big brother in this pool. So we have a little race.
Man, come on, man.
And that's it. Thank y'all for tuning in. Stay tuned for more videos. Subscribe to this channel, and God bless.